Hello guys, let's cut this pineapple today just using these two knives. Okay, let's cut this part first. Okay, and now this part. Nice. Okay, now we're going to remove this outer layer slowly by using this small knife. Um, I'll try to make this one perfect just in 5 minutes. So let's see how much I can cover and how much this is going to take me to cut it properly. This is a little bit difficult. As you can see, we have little green parts over here, so we need to remove all of this. I'm going little slowly, otherwise I'm gonna be doing overcuts. Okay, now this looks a little better, but here I left some parts here, so let's remove all these like this. Okay, so here we achieved one level of job here. Now we got a difficult part here. That is removing all of these small dots. Okay, now let's try removing all these. I also need to. So we have to go by two angles. So first you have to hold your knife like this, right? And here. So if you notice here, we have a trick here to cut this part. So if you notice this, so it's going one row, and also this is making one sequence here, a row, and this one. So we will be removing these parts like this. So first we'll go like this, again by this. Okay, so let's try removing it. Okay, so one is done. Now let's go with another. Oh, this is actually difficult part. I believe 5 minutes is already exceeded, but still I'm trying. Let's see how much time it's gonna take me to cut it properly. Hey, I did it. So yeah, it's done. I just need to clear these parts, like these small holes, if there are any. So at last, it's done. Here. So perfect. Now let's cut this into the parts here. Here is your pineapple. Oh, oops. Now you can cut it like this. That's it. It smells so good. Let me taste it. Amazing. So, finally, we got a pineapple. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.